Let me start this video by showing you couple of screenshots. Okay, so the first screenshot that you can see here is salary of a solution architect in Amazon and salary of a data scientist in Amazon in UK London. Okay, and as you can see, solution architect is 100k plus, data scientist is nearly 90k. Now let's see what is the scenario in Meta or Facebook. Okay, so in Meta, as you can see, software engineer is nearly 150k, senior software engineer is nearly 200k, and data scientist is nearly 190k. Okay, and let's see from the third organization as well. Let's see from Google. So as you can see, product marketing manager is 105k and data scientist is roughly 90k. So what I am trying to tell you from all these images or all these screenshots is, if some of you is thinking data scientist is the position which earns highest, or to earn highest salary, or top salary in any organization, data science is the only path, that is one wrong expectation or wrong assumption. Welcome to Unfold Data Science. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist with 10 plus years of industry experience, now 11 actually, and I am mentoring many people to enter into data science, and I am seeing the transition of many people into data science from senior to junior to lead data scientist and all these things, right? From this experience, I am going to tell you 5 wrong expectations from data science so that you are not frustrated when you come to data science or throughout your journey as a data scientist. Okay, so the first wrong expectation is data science is the only way through which I can make money in any organization. So as I showed you 3-4 images, right? So people are making money by doing software engineering, by writing codes, by marketing management, by doing other stuff as well. So if you think you are good in coding, if you think you are good in some other thing, if you think you are good in design, all those areas are great to make money. Don't come in data science because somebody told you data scientists make lot of money. Okay, that's story part number 1. Part number 2 is, guys, when you come to data science, right, there are different kinds of organizations working in data science and AI space. Okay, so on AI space you might be seeing some startups, you might be seeing all these big shots, Microsoft, Amazon, Google and Meta, all these guys. You might also be seeing some Indian based service based organizations. You might also be seeing all these different sector, for example Tesla and all these manufacturing sector, all these automobile or energy sector or telecom sector. All these guys are doing something or other in AI. Okay, now the thing is, if you think that you will always have a fancy work, then sometimes you may be disappointed. What I mean by that, let me give you some examples. What happens is, when you come into data science and when some organization is expanding its data science unit, right? So you might be hearing that 500 data scientists onboarded in some organization or 1000 data scientists onboarded in some organization, right? So sometimes what may happen is the amount of work we are expecting does not sync with the recruitment that happens. Okay, so for example, I run an organization, I hear a lot of noise around Gen AI, generative AI, and I hire 1000 people who say that they have Gen AI experience. Okay, now I don't have that volume of work coming. So what I will do? I have just 2 options, either fire these guys or give them some other work. So I am telling you, in your data science career, it is quite possible that sometime this can happen. You are a data scientist, you might be given something which is not data science at all. This is one example. There can be n number of scenarios where you may encounter a work which is not data science, though you are a data scientist. What you have to do in that kind of scenario? See, if it comes on your job, if the scenario is you may lose your job, you don't want to lose your job, obviously, right? So what you will do, you will do whatever is being said, but at the same time you will brush up your skills, so that when you get opportunity, either you may switch or you may get to other project or something like that. So I am saying this from all my experience and talking to all the people, all my friends and many people I mentor, right? You will not always get fancy work in data science, remember this. So don't get frustrated if this happens. It is quite possible today I work in non fancy thing, tomorrow I may work in some fancy stuff. This is part of this game, part of this story. Okay. So, the wrong expectation is I will always have some fancy work. The third wrong expectation with which senior, little mid level and manager level people come into data science is, there will, data science is a fancy word. So, obviously, I will get more salary, and then what I am going to do is I am going to manage a team is going to work, okay, and I will be the people manager. This is a very, very big mistake. If somebody thinking I will not understand the stuff happening on the ground and I will manage a data science team, I will do the people management. You can do, I am not saying you can't do, but your life is going to be very, very difficult. Now, try to understand this, guys. Nowadays everything is agile, everything is, Jira stories and sprints and all those things, right? So, we don't need a lot of people managers in small teams, okay. We need people who can contribute on the ground. There can be somebody with experience and there can be somebody who can manage a team also, who can talk to clients also, who can talk to stakeholders also, but only managing team and not knowing what is happening on the ground, not able to talk about how the project is working, not able to talk about where the project is heading, is not going to work, okay. So, one wrong expectation, if you are thinking that you will come to data science, take extra salary and become a people manager, that's going to be very, very difficult path, okay. Fourth thing I want to discuss here is, many people think that data science and AI is a new area. So, Java is very competitive, for example, Java is very competitive, .NET is very competitive, some other fields UI UX is very competitive, HTML CSS is very competitive, Node.js is very competitive. So, let me go to data science, there will be less competition. Don't make that mistake. Data science is having huge competition, guys. Don't ever think that data science is having less competition, my career progression will be smoother or easier, or I'll move up the ladder very, very fastly, and there will not be many people competing with me. Now the time has changed. If you say this 10 years back, it was still okay. Now the time has changed. Lot of competition, cutthroat competition in every level, which means fresher level, 5-year level, 10-year level, 15-year level, 20 years level, all levels, lot of competition. So, what gives you edge? What gives you edge is your knowledge, your experiences, your adaptability to change, your adaptability to learn new things, your comm skills. All these things will give you advantage. Fifth and most important thing I want to talk in this video is, roughly we are speaking what are the wrong expectations from data science. So, let me start from that only. Many people think that they come to data science and they will be a data science throughout. We don't have that 10-year, 20-year, 30-year visibility, or you can say thoughts, or you can say planning of what I want to do, right. So, to the people who are in my experience range, like 10, 12 years or 15 years or 13, 14 years or even 8 to 10 years, right, I suggest you guys seriously start thinking on what you love and what makes you happy, or what is the area you want to pick. Now, what I mean by this is, understand guys, data science is a not too matured industry, okay. It's kind of maturing now little bit. So, there are many career paths which you can take as a data scientist. Let me give you some examples. Go to Google, go to LinkedIn, sorry, search chief data scientist. You will find many people are chief data scientist. Search head of AI and ML. You will see that many people are head of AI and ML. Search analytics delivery lead. You will find many people are analytics delivery lead. Search director of data science. You will find many people are director of data science. Search AI products lead. Many people are AI products lead. What I mean to say here is, there are differences in the roles and responsibilities of these people, and some of these roles are more leadership oriented, I will say, or I will say where comm skills and team management skills or presentation skills, these things will have more weightage, okay. And some of these roles are the roles where your hardcore data science knowledge will have more weightage. Now, what you and me have to start thinking at this experience level is, what is the area where I want to go? Do I want to become a expert in data science and I want to become, let's say, chief data scientist? I want to mentor people, I want to oversee multiple projects, I want to oversee the implementation of the projects, I want to give them ideas, I want to learn what's new in the industry, I want to tell people do this, don't do this. Is that what excites you more? Or you want to become somebody who is kind of a product lead or product manager, or somebody who loves managing stakeholders, managing various teams? So what kind of role will be in this area? Let me tell you. Suppose there is a AI product, right? So let's take an example of retail analytics. So in retail analytics, let's say there is a product ABC. Now what a product manager or product owner will do is, they will understand what this product is, what this product does, and they need to interact with sales team, they need to interact with pre-sales team who will help in selling this product, they will interact with technology team who is responsible that this product works good, they will speak to backend team who is responsible for any kind of support on this product, they will also talk to engineering team who will be building new features in the product, they will talk to clients who will tell what new feature I want in this product, right? Suppose you build a forecasting model for suppose that tool does a time series forecasting, okay, and I am your client and I am using your tool. Now I want you to do segmentation also, I mean this tool should do segmentation also, so that's a new requirement, that becomes a feature. So how that feature will come into this product and how that feature will get delivered into this product, you see the difference, right? So in first role I am saying how well you understand data science techniques. In this role I am saying how well you communicate with different teams, how well you understand your product, how well you can plan, okay, this is the feature I am going to deliver, how well you can translate the business requirements into technical requirements, okay. So I just give you example of two different lines that you can take in your in future of your career, right? There can be, as I give you examples, right, multiple roles in data science. So what you do on day-to-day basis, right, it will depend on which kind of role at senior position you are going into. So once you are 15 plus or 18 plus experience, right, it becomes very important to start planning which path I should take and where I'll be more happy or what makes me happy, right? So again, this video I am creating just to give you a wider perspective of, don't only think okay this is the project, this is the work I am doing, just don't think like that, think where I am heading myself. There will be ups and downs in your career, as I told you, there will be times when you will work in very boring stuff, okay, too boring stuff you may have to work, but that will not be for always, okay. Sometimes it can be normal, sometimes it can be interesting work, sometimes it can be boring work. So just 4-5 things I tried to cover in this video. Don't think data science is only place where you can make money, don't think there is less competition, don't come with a people management mindset, don't come with a skill thinking that you will always get very high fundo work, and last but not the least, start planning where you want to go, okay. I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Please drop me a comment what you think about this video. Wherever you are, stay safe and take care.